everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my January favorites, and I am beyond frustrated because this video was supposed to go up on Friday. I had filmed it, edited it all, even did the thumbnail, exported it, and the next day I went to go upload it and I couldn't find it anywhere. So here I am, refilming it, and let's hope this time this one makes it up. Also, most of my favorites for this month are either beauty or fashion related. There's only one random favorite, and as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So starting off, I figured I would show you guys my one random favorite, and that is this mug right here. It is a very cute llama mug. It is a festive llama mug. One of the girls I went to high school with had this, and I saw it on her Instagram story, and I messaged her and was like, where did you get that? I need that in my life. And she had found it at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I went and made a trip there. Lo and behold, I got the last one, and I am in love with it. And you can never have enough coffee mugs. And even though this is technically a holiday and Christmas mug, I will most definitely be using it year round. Moving on, I figured I would go through my fashion favorites, and the first one I'm actually wearing in it is this two-toned purple striped top, and this is from Old Navy. I am in love with this shirt, and I really want to go back and get more. It is just long sleeve, it is super soft, and it goes good with pretty much anything. It looks great with leggings, it looks great with jeans, it even looks great with scrub pants. I also have a sock favorite, which I don't actually think I've ever had a sock favorite. I got these for Christmas. If you've seen my What I Got for Christmas haul, you've already seen these. These both came from two different packs of Steve Madden socks, and they are both low cut. The first ones are just the super soft ones, and then these ones are the athletic ones. And my last fashion favorite is a pair of shoes, which were also featured in my What I Got for Christmas haul. These are the holiday edition Toms. I can't remember the exact name, but they are the white gold ones, and I absolutely love them. They are fuzzy on the inside, which makes them super comfortable, and they keep your feet extra warm. And these are what the backs look like. I absolutely love the gold detailing. I think it is so cute. And what's great about these is that you can either dress them up with something fancy like a dress or a skirt, or you can dress them down and have them be casual with a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans. And then for the last category, we have all my beauty related favorites, and there are 6 of them. The first 2 are both perfumes. The first one is just from Victoria's Secret Pink, and again, I did get this for Christmas from one of my best friends. And this is just the Pink Fresh and Clean Body Mist. It smells so good, and it is a great everyday scent. I also really like that the cap is really secure on it, and that it's in a plastic bottle, so I can just throw this in my backpack or purse and always have it with me. And then I have 2 others that I'm counting as one, and I'm actually partnering up with the brand Skylar to bring you guys this video and share about their awesome fragrances. What's really great about the Skylar fragrances is that they are all natural. What's also really unique about these is that you can wear them separately, or you can wear them together as a combination perfume. So if you're like me and you're all about smelling good, I highly recommend checking Skylar out. I don't know if it's just me, but I've noticed that a lot of perfumes and body mists wear off within a few hours. However, this you can spray and it will last the entire day, which is nice. And if you're like me and you're a single Pringle, these are perfect Valentine's Day gifts for your girlfriends. These are what the actual perfumes look like, and this is the packaging that they come in. So I have the scent Coral, and I also have the scent Isle. And for the pairing of the 2 scents, this is what the website recommended. And what's really neat is that on the website, they have a bunch of different pairing recommendations, and this was one of them. Also, if you guys would like 10% off your first purchase, you can use the coupon code AYOUNG10, and I will have the link to Skylar down below. The Coral scent is great if you are going on a date, going to a more formal event and stuff like that. And the scent notes for this are fruity, floral, and flirty. It is a happiness booster inspired by bright, sun-kissed moments. And like all the other Skylar perfumes, it is clean, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, as well as vegan. And for the scent Isle, it is great for everyday wear if you're going to lunch with your friends, going to school, stuff like that. And the notes for this are clean, dewy, and fresh. And it is a vacation oasis inspired by the ease of a day spent near the ocean. And standing alone, these scents smell amazing, and they smell even more amazing when they are paired together. And each bottle is 50 milliliters, meaning they will last for quite some time. So a huge shout out and thank you to Skylar for sending me those. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so if you are looking to get a gift for someone, I highly recommend checking out Skylar. As most of you guys know, I do live in Maine, where it is below 0 sub-zero and snowing constantly during the winter. So my lips have been super duper chapped, and I've been using the Burt's Bees pomegranate chapstick, and I cannot say enough good things about this. I used to be a huge Carmex person, however, I am so over that phase. I will never use another chapstick other than Burt's Bees. This has healed my lips incredibly fast. It smells amazing, and this one in particular does give your lips a little bit of a tint. I have a lotion favorite, and this is just the Shealogix Lavender Vanilla Hand Cream, and I got this at Marshall's for, I want to say, $1.99, and it smells amazing. The only way I can describe it is it smells like the Johnson & Johnson's Lavender Bedtime Lotion for babies, and I didn't just use this for my dry hands. I also used this on my elbows during a huge eczema breakout. My doctor had prescribed me a cortisone cream, and it didn't work, and I had been battling this awful eczema breakout for over a month, and I was like, hey, might as well just try putting this on it, and I kid you not, within 3 days my eczema was gone. And I'm not a doctor, and I don't want to say it'll help heal you, but if you're struggling with a big eczema breakout, I highly recommend going and trying to find one of the Shealogix lotions and seeing if that works for you. And my last two products are both skincare products. The first one is actually two products from Biore, and they sent these to me, and actually I had to go out and buy my own of the Witch Hazel toner because I already went through the entire bottle of the one they sent me. That just goes to show you how much I really enjoyed it. So this is part of their new Witch Hazel line, and it is the Biore Witch Hazel Pore Clarifying Toner with Salicylic Acid for acne treatment, and this quite honestly could be the best my skin has ever looked, and it is all due to a combination of products, but also this product has had a significant impact on it. After I started using this, I noticed a significant difference, and with toners, literally all you do is you clean your face normally with a cleanser, then you go ahead and take a cotton round or a cotton ball, soak it with some of this, and then rub it on your face, and basically it just gets all the extra dirt and grime out of your pores that was left over from the cleanser. And unlike most Witch Hazel products, this doesn't have a nasty smell. I'm also super duper in love with their pore strips, and I actually had clips of me using the pore strips. However, since all the footage disappeared, but basically these pore strips are the best pore strips I've ever used. I've used their charcoal ones before and they worked okay, but I feel like these ones grab onto all those blackheads on your nose a lot better than any other ones. And the last product I will be featuring in today's video is from Babor, and it is a thermal spray. I have tried a bunch of other thermal sprays before. I tried, I think it was the Evian one, and a bunch of others, and I really didn't like them. I felt like they were sticky. However, this one is amazing. It smells good. It makes you feel so refreshed, and it doesn't leave a sticky film on your face. To use it, you literally just take the cap off, hold it a few inches away from your skin, and then just spray it. And this is great if you are someone like me who is a student in college in the medical field. I know that I personally, on days where I have clinical, my skin feels so nasty, and it's not like you can go and wash your face during the middle of clinical. However, if you want to freshen up, you can easily just go into the bathroom, spray this on your face, and then you're good to go. You feel somewhat clean and you feel refreshed. So those are just my January favorites. If you guys like my favorites videos, be sure to give this a thumbs up. If you have missed any of my past ones, I think I'm on my 3rd or 4th year doing these. I have a playlist listed down below for you. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!